Welcome to Jeff's English class. Dear children and teachers, the most awaited hour has come for us. Yes, we are going to school on 19th of this month. I received 12th standard reduced syllabus for English today, so I posted it in our YouTube. Prose altogether you will be 6 lessons, but they are reducing 2 lessons. You will be having first, third, fifth and sixth lessons for your exams. First lesson, Two Gentlemen of Verona, A.J. Cronin. Third lesson, In Celebration of Being Alive, Dr. Christian Bernard. Fifth lesson, The Chair Key, Raja Narayanan. Sixth lesson, On the Rule of the Road, A.G. Gardner. Fifth lesson is the new one. I taught you the first and third through YouTube. I didn't teach you 5th and 6th. If time permits, I'll post those lessons also. Hope that you will be meeting your teachers and you will be enjoying their teaching. Next, we will see poetry. In poetry, you have 6 altogether, but you will be having only 4 poems will be there. Second one, our Casuarina Tree Torudat. All the World's a Stage, this third poem by William Shakespeare. Fourth poem, Ulysses by Alfred Tennyson. And the fifth poem is A Father to His Son, Carl August Sandburg. So, first and sixth poem is omitted. Other ஒன்னாவது போயமும் ஆறாவது போயமும் omit பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. மீதி கண்டினியூஸாக போம் வந்து கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. இதில் நான் வந்து 2, 3, 4 போஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன் ஆல்ரெடி. 5th போஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். Still, I hope that today I'll be posting the paragraphs for a father to his son and ERC also. Let's see supplementary reader now. In supplementary reader, out of 6, you will be having only 3. 1, 4 and 5. First, God Sees the Truth But Waits, Leo Tolstoy. Fourth, The Midnight Visitor, Robert Arthur. Fifth, All Summer in a Day, Ray Bradbury. ஸோ இதில் உங்களுக்கு 6 இருக்குது. மொத்தத்தில் உங்களுக்கு 3 தான் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. லெசன்ஸில் ப்ரோஸில் 4, 6 இதில் வந்து 6 ப்ரோஸில் 4, பொயட்ரியில் 6ல் 4, சப்ளிமெண்ட்ரியில் 6ல் 3 கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டும் ஃபோர்த்தும் ஆல்ரெடி ஐ போஸ்டட் திஸ் இன் த யூடியூப் அண்ட் தென் 5th yet to do. I'll hope I can do this. Let's wait and see. Now we'll see grammar portions. Unit 4, tenses, modal auxiliaries, reported speech. In Unit 2, prepositions, prepositional phrases, conjunctions, connectives or linkers. In Unit 3, active and passive voice interrogatives. In Unit 4, kinds of sentences, conditionals. In Unit 5, non-finite verbs, articles and determiners, degrees of comparison. In Unit 6, agreement of the subject with a verb. So, I give you a tabular column also. Let's see the tabular column also. For a better understanding, I give you this tabular column. First, in Unit 1, poem is missing. In prose, Two Gentlemen of Verona, supplementary, God Sees the Truth But Waits, grammar, changes, modal auxiliaries, reported speech. And then second one, prose and supplementary missing. Only poem is there. Our Casuarina Tree is there. Grammar portion, prepositions, prepositional phrases, conjunctions, connectives or linkers. In third unit, supplementary is missing. Prose is there and the celebration of being alive. Poem, All the World's a Stage is included. And then grammar, active and passive voice, interrogatives are there. In fourth lesson, prose is missing. There is no prose for your exam. Poem Ulysses is there. Supplementary reader, The Midnight Visitor is included. Grammar, kinds of sentences, conditionals are there. Fifth unit, we have prose, the chair, poem, a father to his son, supplementary, all summer in a day, grammar, non-finite verbs, articles and determiners, degrees of comparison. Prose, poem, non-detail வந்து எதையும் omit பண்ணல 5th யூனிட்டில். 6th யூனிட்டில் வந்து prose on the rule of the road மட்டும் வச்சுருக்குறாங்க. அதில் போமும் சப்ளிமெண்ட்ரியும் கிடையாது. கிராமர், அக்ரிமெண்ட் ஆஃப் த சப்ஜெக்ட் வித் அ வேர்ப் இருக்குது. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு நான் வந்து பேண்டமிக் சிச்சுவேஷனுக்காக தான் ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் திஸ் யூடியூப். ஏன்னு கேட்டால் நான் ஐ தாட் ஆஃப் ஹெல்பிங் all the Tamil medium students especially. அதனால தான் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு ப்ரோஸ் வந்து இப்போ நான் 6 3 2 4 3 ஐ மீன் 2 3 ஆச்சு. 5th போம் வந்து இப்போ நான் ERC அந்த பேராகிராஃப் வந்து yet to be given and then non detail பொறுத்தவரை 1 4 5 கொடுக்குறாங்க. அதில் 1/4 வந்து I completed. Only the 5th non-detail yet to be completed. Hope that you enjoy my YouTube videos, and then if you do not subscribe, please subscribe, because the paragraphs, ERC, appreciation, all the important things I have given you so far. இந்த முடிக்காத சில விஷயங்களையும் I try to complete. I wish you brave heart. You smile always, be cheerful, obey your teachers, and above all, please be safe. Okay, and then I am so happy to give you this reduced portion. Thank you for watching, and then we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye from Jeff's English class.